Brace yourself. You just might catch a glimpse of an elephant's playful side. This little elephant's playful antics with his owner will definitely steal your heart in seconds. From tiny tusks to giant hugs, this baby elephant's playful spirit lights up every moment with his owner. When a baby elephant and his owner play, the world feels a little brighter and a lot more adorable. This baby elephant loves nothing more than goofing off with his favorite human. Elephants are incredibly social animals, and their playful behavior is a sign of happiness and trust. But where can you get up close and meet these adorable, gentle giants? This is an elephant conservation center in Laos. There, they live by a mission to provide a peaceful, safe, and sustainable future for elephants. The center not only cares for elephants, but also educates visitors about the importance of preserving these magnificent creatures. Known for their playful nature, these gentle giants love making new friends. Whether you're feeding, playing, or just hanging out, the elephants make every visit unforgettable. In this stunning place, caretakers become more than just helpers. They're lifelong friends to these elephants. This little guy's playful spirit and innocent eyes make him the cutest bundle of joy you'll ever see. Would you love to experience the magic of a baby elephant's playful world and spend some time with them? Let us know in the comments below.